Would you have a 1 million peso idea but no one to believe in it? Are you tired of being told walang budget or baka hindi mag-work yan or hindi maganda yan, maghanap ka na lang ng maganda at stable job, mag-abroad ka na lang? You're not alone. Hey there, I'm Alvin Tubog, founder of Boon Pharma and a proud believer in Filipino talent. I know the struggle. I know how it feels to have a big dream but zero connections. I know how frustrating it is when you're passionate, driven, and ready to build, pero wala kang puhunan. And worse, no one's willing to listen. Guys, that ends today. Welcome to Pinoy Tank. This is Pinoy Tank, the Filipino pitch platform for dreamers, doers, and disruptors. Kung meron kang business idea or existing product na unique, ready to scale, may real market potential, this is your moment. Why I built Pinoy Tank? Because I've been there. I started in a garage, less than 300K, no investors. Now we have 4 growing branches, thousands of customers nationwide, and we're still scaling. And now it's my turn to give others a shot. Here's how to join. Comment below this video with a brief intro of your business idea. Then email us the following: a 1 to 3 minute video introducing what's your product or service, why did you create it, how much capital do you need, okay? It should be not more than 300K. How much equity are you offering? And of course, letter of intent. Feasibility study or business plan is also okay, but it's optional. And email everything to pinoytank@gmail.com. Of course, with the subject Pinoy Tank application. Right? What happens next? We will shortlist the most promising entries, schedule face to face or online pitch presentations, record pitches with your permission, of course, offer investment opportunities, real ones, not just prizes. Upload episodes here to inspire more Filipino entrepreneurs. So, guys, this is not a contest, this is a movement. Who should apply? Entrepreneurs, investors, innovators, startup founders, small business owners, resellers, and producers with scalable products. Why join? By joining, you'll be able to have or get an access to real investors, get constructive feedback and mentorship. You're going to have national exposure for your brand, of course, and become part of a real Filipino entrepreneur community. Okay, so let's stop the cycle of good ideas dying in notebooks. Let's build a platform where ordinary Pinoys become extraordinary founders. So kung ready ka na to take that first big step, if you believe in your product, in your story, and in your capacity to grow, drop your bits below and send your email. And while you're here, of course, please like, share, and subscribe. And also tap the notification bell para updated ka sa upcoming pitch episodes. Right? So together, let's discover the next great Filipino brands. Again, this is Alvin and this is Pinoy Tank, where Filipino ideas find capital, where Filipino dreamers find a shot. See you in the pitch room. Now, disclaimer lang guys, Pinoy Tank is an independent advocacy campaign. It is not affiliated in any way with the Shark Tank franchise or any of its producers, companies, or sponsors. This initiative is not a registered company. This is not a corporation or investment platform. It does not solicit money from the public and it does not promise guaranteed funding, profits, or quick rich schemes. So, Pinoy Tank is a personal advocacy. It's my advocacy project, which is launched by me, aimed at encouraging and supporting Filipino entrepreneurs like you by providing a platform to pitch their ideas, gain exposure, receive feedback, and potentially connect with private investors. All investments decisions are made independently by private individuals, and any agreements entered into are between the entrepreneur and the investor, not with Pinoy Tank as an organization. All right. So always do your due diligence. This campaign is built on honesty, collaboration, and empowerment, with no fees, no gimmicks, and no false promises. All right. So let's grow together the right way. See you